I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Hey guys, welcome to Bridgeview. Just wanted to take you on a quick walk of the property to show you around a little bit. Right there's our bathhouse. Up here is a little bit of a wood pile that we got going on from all the trees that had to be taken down to clear this spot right here. We sometimes think that we took down a few too many trees because we would have loved to have had a few more right here just to provide a little extra privacy. Because we do have a neighbor that comes down and around over here, and his property is down that way a little bit. But anyways, great neighbors though. So here they are. It's what we call the Shottages. Shottages at Bridgeview. This is our bathhouse, and inside the bathhouse is just a like a propane hot water on demand system with a shower stall and a utility sink, so we can do our dishes there. Over here we have the boys Shottage. This one right here, it's a 12 by 24. And there's a matching 12 by 24 over here. We went with slightly different window layouts based on where it was going to be on the property. But I'll take you down the rest of our driveway so you can kind of see what it looks like from here. So again, I said this is where the boys' bunkhouse is, and then here's where Jen and I stay. And then eventually, right in between these two, is going to be a 12 by 24 deck that then has, I hope to, I've been inspired by Cornbread and Cupcake, I think, online on YouTube. They had a really awesome outdoor kitchen build, and I think I'd love to be able to do something similar to that on the back side of that deck. And then, of course, right connecting from here to over there, we'd like to do another 8-foot deck that comes off the end so that we can sit out there and just enjoy all of this beauty that Maine has to offer. I don't know if you can kind of tell through the trees right there is the bridge, hence the name Bridgeview. Because when you go down to the water, you've got a clear shot of the bridge.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.